But I told you we're in the weird zone of the show. The next one is maybe the weirdest of the bunch. A property developer in China has been accused of selling vulgarity by using models, human models, using their bodies in order to uh, show off floor plans for properties like that haven't been built yet. Like you would buy a particular floor plan.
Hmm.
You can scroll down.
How would this look like?
You can scroll down. That's what it looks like. That is a woman's back, and that is a floor plan. It doesn't actually look like a very well drawn floor plan, but anyway, you can see 43 or 43.89 meters squared.
There you go.
It's not a very big place. Anyway, that's the A3 model. Real estate developer in central China has been accused of selling vulgarity, halted from making sales after using models as human brochures with floor plans painted. Why can't I say floor plans? I hate it.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
Painted on their backs, local authorities said. The promotion was in, how would you pronounce Xian? Xian?
Yeah.
Did I nail that? Xian?
I think so. Good job.
Last week, two women wearing backless dresses displayed floor plans of a mid-range property project drawn on their backs to lure potential buyers, according to a video widely shared on social media. Many have criticized the marketing campaign. Somebody wrote, I guess the logic behind it is that women are cheaper than paper. That was a user on Chinese social media, Weibo. So people don't like it, man.
Mm-hmm.
They don't like this publicity stunt. I mean, I guess this guy got on South China with the story, but I don't know that in this might be one of those cases where I don't think it's worth it because I mean, and obviously I don't know. He's trying to sell these condos or whatever, but I just.
Is it successful? Did he sell the condos?
No, I mean, I hear that, man. I hear you on that with the condos, but.
Do you? I just want to see the output. Like, this guy thinks he's like an artist or trying something.
No,
different.
he doesn't. He's not an artist, man.
Well, he's trying to buck the trend.
It is weird, actually, though, that like people can draw on their own bodies.
But as soon as someone else
actually, even other people can draw on your body.
Yeah.
Remember when people were like auctioning off? I'll get a tattoo on my body of a.
Rogan posts all the time. People.
Well, they choose to get that tattoo. But what I'm talking about is when people will be like, for $500, I'll put your company on my armpit.
Right. Yeah.
Type. Mo is shouting something from down there. What's that, Mo? Oh, Mo's doing a shout out for a video he shot a while back for D-Brand. Where was that to win a contest? He just offered to do it. Where was the tattoo? On his ankle. Yeah, so I don't know. And maybe people would think that that's controversial too when anybody does it.
Yeah.
At least this is, I mean, obviously this is not a tattoo. That'd be a different. Oh my God. What would you charge this developer, Will, if he wanted to tattoo his floor plan on your back?
On my back?
Yeah.
I don't know if anyone wants to see that.
No.
It's like,
what? No. I'm just trying to put you in the same shoes. I'm saying like, and I also upgraded it just for the insanity of it. But your body is somewhat sacred, I presume.
No. Well, the back, I mean, it's not that big of a deal, I guess.
Okay, so look, this is a tough one because in this particular case, it's obvious the combination of things is the problem. Like they're dressed in fancy dresses and their faces are turned away, and it's like it's just a weird way to have people on display. Like
Yeah.
I don't know. The whole thing is creepy and weird. But it just got me thinking about how people perceive their physical body and how they treat it.
Hmm.
And some people will want tattoos, and some people want to dress a certain way, and some people want plastic surgery, and it's like really a consenting adult makes a
Yeah.
decision on what they do and don't want to do. So that's why I said to you, this same developer is like, look, they all got mad at me for this, but I can get Willie Do, and I can upgrade it to a tattoo instead of just a drawing.
A tattoo
A tattoo.
of what?
That floor plan right there.
That
A3, this floor plan on your back tattooed. What are you charging?
I can't.
No amount of money.
I can't. A floor a floor plan.
No amount of
No.
money for real? You could
Like
give them money.
floor
You could
plan.
give them money to charity or something.
Oh, so I can just kind of take it off, like laser it off.
No, you got to keep the
Eventually?
tattoo. No laser.
Oh,
But it's on your back. How often do you look at your back?
uh, I don't look at my back a lot, but
Never.
it's just weird. It's just weird. I'm just like out on the beach, and then all of a sudden, people are asking me why you have a floor plan tattooed on your back.
I don't think people would ask you. I think they would see that and then say, "Ooh, that dude is on. That dude is out there." I think you'd be. Well, yeah. Some people get obviously asked that are comfortable with you, but
I
you
don't mind having a back tattoo, if it's covering this. But you said I can't.
no, you can't. I'm saying
can't.
he's paying you to be a billboard for the rest of your life.
All right, you
I-
want me to put a number on it?
That's the idea, Will.
All right, 10 bill.
Oh, stop it. That's
10 billion.
Will, that's ridiculous,
Well,
man.
you asked me.
You're not doing 10 billion. If let me tell you something right now.
Yeah.
If there was $1 million there right now,
No, I can't do it.
$1 million is ready to go. And the tattoo machine is there.
No.
And the floor plan,
And it looks like this. This is not even
it looks like
Good.
that.
draftsmanship.
This is interesting. People are going to be angry with you for that.
Sure.
You could do a lot.
But hey, it's my body.
Absolutely. I completely agree. But
Yeah.
people can tell us in the comments what it would cost for them.
Sure. They can call me out.
I'm curious what people think because it's a very awkward and weird way to treat your body. That's the truth. Whether it's a drawing, it's not. It's funny our perception on that though. Like if it was art, if it was like a dragon or something, you'd be like,
Mhm.
that's cool.
Yes.
But the minute it's a different set of lines representing a different thing, it's the same material. It's like, but then it's absurd.
Uh-huh.
It's just funny how we have these distinctions of like acceptability and not. There's still ink going into your skin. We just have apply value to one set of shapes.
Yes. It's art. I mean, it's subjective.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
You know?
imagine you didn't know this was a random condo developer's floor plan, and instead it was some
Wow.
some geometric NFT. Remember,
ask
like
how
we were
much
talking
they
about the NFT house the other day.
Yeah, the virtual house.
That was like 50 ETH, or I don't remember what it sold for, but
sure.
I'm just saying it's subjective. Like it's possible someone could look at that and be like, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Not me or you, but
Somebody.
anyway, definitely as a marketing campaign though, like, yes, it's not a great look. I realize we're talking about it, but I don't know. I think there's going to be a lot of people avoiding that particular developer as well. It would be easy to avoid a developer because there's a lot of choice when it comes to
Mm-hmm.
picking the thing. So picking a property or whatever.
Yeah.